Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be teaching you guys how to create a very basic website using Bootstrap. So the difference between Bootstrap and Tailwind is very simple. They are similar kind of. They work with classes, CSS classes. So the major difference is that Tailwind is more flexible. That is to say, you can use Tailwind to create things to your own taste. If you know how to use Tailwind very well, you can create things to how you want it to appear without it looking similar to what Bootstrap already have. But the advantage Bootstrap has over Tailwind is that Bootstrap has these predefined components that you can just go there, copy and put in your code and it will work fine. So first things first, I've created this simple file, created our index.html, then style.css. I will not be creating JavaScript file. So the reason I haven't even added this style.css is just to explain some things. If not, we'll just make use of index.html to work for everything. So first thing first, when you want to start using Bootstrap, you have to visit getbootstrap.com. Then when you get to the site, this is what you're going to see. They have new update actually. Get security update from Bootstrap 3.4. Alright, cool. This is the one that appeared first. So let me just use this one. Similar. So for you to start using Bootstrap, there are different ways to add it to your project. Firstly, when you get to the website, this is what you're going to see: build fast, responsive site with Bootstrap, powerful, extensible, whatever. So they have different ways to put this Bootstrap on our project, so to do its work. So the first two is npm. This is kind of advanced, so I'll just go down. Not really advanced, but for this lesson we don't really need to know anything about it. Similar to this, almost same thing, npm install as node. So for this lesson we'll be using CDN, Bootstrap CDN, more like content delivery network. So this is the simplest way to use Bootstrap. That is, if you don't want to maybe edit any of their components. When I mean edit, I mean edit the color, the font. Yeah. So for us to use Bootstrap, we just have to copy. This is the style link. This is the JavaScript link. So this is the for styling. This for functionality. So just copy this style. Come here. We have Bootstrap link already, so I'll just put it under paste. While for our external link, external CSS link, I'll link this one manually. I'll just do that style.css. Then the next thing we want to do is to add our script tag. That's this one down here, our Bootstrap script for functionality. So I'll just copy this script, come down here and paste. So now we can start using Bootstrap in our project. So it's very basic. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'll just do a few things with Bootstrap. So first thing you want to do is to open this website with Lifesaver. So Lifesaver is an extension that you can get from your VS Code extensions. Yeah, you can just go to your extensions and type Lifesaver. You see different types, then you download the one you want. So we'll be opening this website locally with our Lifesaver. So this is Lifesaver. Open with Lifesaver. It's a blank web page. We have nothing in it, just the title, which is document. This document, that's what's happening up here. You can edit that, but it's only our concern. Don't want to put this website online, so The first thing first, I'll go back to Bootstrap. This is Bootstrap. Then let me make this bigger. I will click on the icon so it take me back to, well, what am I doing? Docs, sorry, I think. So down here we have component, we have introduction, downloader. No. Look for components. Yeah, this is what we are looking for. Components. So in our project we already commented on some things that we're going to do. So start with the navbar. We are going to look for a very simple navbar that we're going to use. So I'll just make this bigger, then come down, navbar. Scroll down. These are different types of navbar. We have one, we have this one, two, we have three. So they have different types of navbar. So I'll just go with this first one, this one. Copy, then go to my code, paste it. Check my website, I have navbar there. So these are navbar. It's working because we added the JavaScript link to our project, so it's working fine. So the next thing we want to add is our hero section. If you should check this Bootstrap, they don't have, there's nothing like hero section here. I don't know why, but we have our way. Or you just open another tab, then search Bootstrap hero section. Boom, heroes, Bootstrap. So you have different hero sections here, different types. But I think I will be using this. I don't know which one, but this is okay. This is nice. So I'll just do Control U to, did I say, yeah, to check the source code, because there's no other way for us to copy it except we inspect. But I'll just do Control U, then the source code will appear. So I will look for the one that I want, which is responsive left aligned with hero image. So I'll come here, responsive left. So yeah, quickly design. What am I saying? Responsive left. Okay. So I'm looking for centered hero, centered no. Responsive left, this one. So I'll copy this thing, copy, go to my code, then I'll paste it. If I should check, this is what I copied. So this is it on a large screen. Reduce my screen back. So this image is not showing because there's no image there. We did not collect the image from the initial website. So I will be adding an external image. I will just add image to the project. So this is the image I downloaded already. I know there's different size, but I will just add this one. Then I'll come here, remove this Bootstrap theme image, whatever. Remove you. Then I'll link my own image. This is the medium short man, whatever. So it will appear here. So this is the image, and this is how our hero section is. So perfect, responsive on mobile view. It's responsive. It's very responsive. So this is our website. Our navbar is working. Our hero section is ready. Next thing we want to do, we just want to add maybe accordion. It's not really important, but let me just add it to show that okay, you can do a lot to Bootstrap. So you go back to your components. First one, accordion. Accordion is like a drop down. Yeah, when you click on it, to drop down, click on it again, it closes. That's what accordion is. So it's a way of displaying item. This is mostly in FAQ, that's frequently asked questions. almost business pages, if you website rather. So this is it. So to copy, to get something like, I'll just copy it, go to my website, then paste here. Check the website. We have our accordion here, and it's working fine. So the next thing we want to do is to add a footer. For us to add a footer, we'll do the same thing, full tab, because if I check the main Bootstrap website, they don't have footer there, so I'll just use the internet. Footer, Bootstrap, different footer will appear. So I'll do the same process. I will use Ctrl U to check the source code. Then I will pick one that I want. Let's say let me just do this one. It's kind of simple. Copy, then separate my screen again. Here I'll paste the footer. Check my website, and I have my simple footer. You can actually edit some of these things. So I'll just put 2024 kingucci.technology. Yep, it's there. Then maybe let me just change the name of the website, kingucci.technology. It will change at the top, yeah. Then the navbar to my own kingucci.technology. So it changes. Responsive, align, left align, so I can just change that to something like hello. Let me just add. So hello, this is kingucci.technology. Please do well, like and subscribe. Thanks. So please do well to like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, so this is how to create a very basic website. You see that the thing is overlapping, it's too wide. Very easy. Just use container. Just add container to the accordion. Yeah, I'll come here and add container. So container is to reduce the width, because initially they are set to full width. So I'll just reduce the width and to come to the center. So it's kind of presentable now, presentable and simple. So this is like a very basic website with Bootstrap. Something you can just create to maybe show your friends, family members, and more of like to show off. So let me explain style dot. I don't need to. So this style.css, external CSS that I created. So I will use it to explain how Bootstrap works basically. So Bootstrap classes, it's not it's kind of an external style, but the difference is that these styles, they are somewhere. What we are just doing is we are calling them into our component. For example, let's say I want to create something different. Let's say inside this now, on this number, I'll just do let's say this is the nav bar. So what am I doing? Let's say h1 rather. H1. This is the nav bar. So No. I don't want it to appear there. I mean on the hero section rather. So I'll do H1. This is the hero section. So this is it. Then I'll just give this in a class. This is what Bootstrap is doing. Watch. They have their own class, which is container. If I want to make this thing consistent, I'll just add container to whoever component I want, whoever item it to come to the center. Now this is my own class. Let me just name it hero. If I should copy this, come to my style, then I want to style this normally, give it color blue. This will turn to blue. Yeah, this will turn to blue. Now watch. This is how Bootstrap works. If I should take this particular class that I've defined somewhere as blue, that's any text that I want to add, any text that I'm adding this class to, it's turn to blue. Yeah, I've defined it somewhere. So now for Bootstrap, it's similar. I'll just take this class name, then look for a text that have class. I'll just put this class hero, then the text will turn to blue. Oh sorry, I don't even know what I went to add to accordion. So let me just add it to this hello, this is kingucci, so it's very visible. So here the hero section, this will turn to blue automatically. That's how Bootstrap works, basically. Summary of how Bootstrap works. So it's more like they have this they've already styled these classes somewhere, so it's for you to just take the class name, put it to a particular item you want to style, then you give your style. So that's how it works, basically. That's how Bootstrap works. Now next lesson I'll be discussing more about Bootstrap, some of the classes, some how to maybe use Bootstrap to create something you want, not using their predefined classes. So just create something you want. Thanks for watching. Please do it to like, subscribe and share. It's really important for the channel. Thanks a lot.